Hi guys, welcome back. This time we are going to make an origami frog. It's very simple and very easy, so please try it for sure, as you just require this single sheet of paper. I've taken an orange sheet here. It's orange here and white here. Okay, so now let's see how to make it. So first take this side. If both the sides are in the same color, then you can use any side, no problem. So fold it in the middle, make a crease, open it. Now in this line, from here fold it till this line. Turn the paper, again fold it. Okay, see, I've got like this now. Turn it, it has come like this. Okay, now take this sheet till the middle line. See, as you can see, till this middle line, fold it. See here, it will come like this. Even here, do the same. Okay, so see, it's come like this. Now keep like this, turn it, and then fold it, not till the top, just till a bit down. Not the exact half, but a little bit down. Make a crease. Then while opening it, leave a bit of gap here. And then bring it down. So see, it has to be folded like this. Okay, so now it's come like this. Bring this part on the top, the short part. Okay. Now turn the paper, it's like this. This bottom part, carefully, without tearing, more than the line, a bit you have to fold. It will come on the top, no problem. It has to come like that only. So fold it. Do the same for this side too. Okay, so it's come like this. Turn it. Now fold it once from the top, one small, a bit small. Okay. Now open this like this, and then okay, fold it like this. Okay, even for this side, keep it. Fold it. Okay, so now it's ready. As you can see, it's like the collar. Since it's a bit long, I'm adjusting it here. Okay, so now take this part, fold it inside. This one, it has to come like this, not in the straight line. It will come vertically, it will come a bit slanting, no problem. It has to be like that, it should not come straight. Even this side. Okay, now it's come like this. As you can see, here you have to fold it. Now here on the top you can see, just like you will make a collar for any dress, pull it out. Okay, see, it should come like this in a V shape. If you fold it in this side also, it will come in a V shape. it will not be equal, no problem, but here it should be not exactly same, a bit same. Okay, so now turn your dress. Wow, such a nice dress. It's ready. So if you have watched this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Also, if you have subscribed, press the bell icon for our notifications. Thanks for watching.